I'm with Diana. She has this beautiful fruit stand and she makes dehydrated fruits and she has some raw desserts here. Ding ding ding, it's chocolate avocado coconut.
For the avocado fair.
Yeah, for the avocado fair, so it's very appropriate.
Tell us how it tastes.
It's divine. Christine, where'd you get that? I want it! So the local rack crew were nice enough to give me a custom-made raw dish, and it has their specially made coleslaw on it, some sprouts on top, lettuce, sour sop, and some kind of like raw avocado dressing. Avocado Fest. Oh no, you can't swear in a YouTube. I mean,
uncensored.
Okay, it's amazing.
What? Hey!
Now we're gonna. What do you think of Avocado Fest?
Oh my god, avocado! Actually, nowhere but we got avocado.
Yeah, and jackfruit nuts. Oh, so good.
Oh shit.
So many vegan options.
Yeah. We love it.
You're so lovely. Quite a while, and I'm sensing that it's time for an adventure.
Time to go.
Avocado Fest was amazing, and now we're heading to the beach. Probably gonna go for a swim. Just look at those waves, and the water is such a pretty blue here. And there's not that many rocks, so it's less fear of scraping up your ankles and your feet and getting staphs. But this is like the classic white sand beach. So if you're coming to Hawaii and you want a white sand beach, Kua Bay in Kona. Got done swimming and the water was fine. It was nice and warm. Friends are still swimming out there. And I did some sprints from here all the way to here. Just back and forth, and it feels so good to run. I just love pumping my lungs. I'm just eating some longans. These are so good, they kind of remind me of a super juicy grape. All I have to do to eat these and open it up like that.